boo, yeah, do, yeah, boo, yeah, do, yeah, do, yeah, boo, do, but this is how you entertain a stream.
Catch 150 belugas.
What? That's the challenge.
Yeah, in the monthly there's 150 belugas.
Oh Jesus! Create server.
Trevor, we are live.
Oh, hello. The thing Twitch. Yeah, that one.
You win your battle with your stomach.
No,
uh,
it was a valiant battle. Okay, so
Trevor looks like a guy who broke Amish.
let's do extra tackle.
it looks like he'd go fight the Amish.
He might eat the Amish.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure they're kind of tough meat. Now,
They're gritty.
he'd go
You
up
do
against
the
the
gritty.
Amish and they'd be like, "Here, we made donuts," and then he'd just be there. He couldn't leave. He's trapped. He lost.
Well, that's like the guy who the Amish gentleman who did my roof. His biggest upset thing he had to complain about was he goes, "Oh, I think the frost got my strawberries." I'm
Oh
like,
no!
I wish that.
I think the
I was
frost
like, I
got
wish-
it. I'm gonna catch a fish.
Bye, cat.
I can't hear you if you're talking.
You can't hear me, Trevor. Trevor.
Hello? If you're talking, I can't hear you.
Trevor. Trevor, can you hear me
I
now?
wasn't talking.
Chad talking?
Trevor, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why did I have to hit V 4 fucking times?
Oh no.
I may have already found a friend.
I hear it.
Oh. He didn't really make it very far. Oh, he's coming. Okay. He's going away. It's fine. Holy
What the fuck?
fuck! Bro's got some hops! What's up here? Piss Hi.
What the fuck? Chad's getting attacked. Oh god.
What's happening? Oh.
Oh my god, he's fucking dead.
You mad at me?
Oh my god, he's...
They're beating the shit out of the plane.
Come inside.
Why are they attacking me?
I don't know. They're leaving now. What the hell? You got wall banged by a spear.
Chad.
Yeah.
Okay, now you can hear me.
Oh, that you weren't talking there? That makes
Yeah.
sense of why it was so peaceful. Doesn't mean we can't try, though.
Oh, it's a platypus.
That's, Toad.
What is this?
So you didn't see that the entire time?
No. I didn't see that at all. That scared the shit out of me. Oh, he's mad.
Oh my god, I thought that it was attacking me because it ran towards me.
No, it's a, that was a storkbill, or shoebill stork.
Trevor, it looks like you got a friend out
Oh my
there.
god, why is it so loud? Why is it so loud? What is that? Help! Help!
It was your friend stealing your fish.
That
was
scared
definitely
the
200
absolute
feet there.
shit out of me.
Dane, you got fish? Dane's not here.
Where is he?
AFK in the house, so he's not here.
Where's he AFK again?
This isn't very nice. Trevor, you got another friend.
I know, it's the third time. Chad?
I played with my fate.
Jesus Christ.
I played with my fate.
Chad?
Yeah?
What was that?
Not a fucking clue. There's something moving out there.
Do you see that purple thing all the way out that way?
Purple thing?
Yeah, come stand where I'm at. On the dock.
Well, there's something back by the cabin.
Yeah, but do you see the purple thing? Purple. Can you? No, I'm fishing! I'm fishing!
Oh my god!
Every time.
There's two more
Every-
flying in, Trevor. We need to get out of
go,
here.
We go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh my god, he's in. He's in.
All right. Okay. Oh my god.
What the fuck am I supposed to do? Dane! 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 Dane. 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 What am I supposed to do?
My counselor's
Hold on. I've got to...
That's quite the perspective.
Pick up the phone, Dane. Pick up the phone, Dane. Pick up the phone, Dane. I can't even sleep right now. Hello? Hey, I need you to come back to the game and do not turn around. Just walk towards me. So, please. Oh, yeah, okay, be fast. Because the days needs to end. Oh, he's making me wait. How close do you think I could get? Why'd he change positions? Is he in here? Is this thing in here?
What the fuck is happening?
Oh!
You were too close. I'm just going with my survivability. I can do the rest myself. Maybe, probably not. I should probably make things easier to fish, actually, right? This kind of suck. Oh, yes, I'm not doing it.
I thought you did. So what's your guys' opinion on Jeremy Wade?
On the difficulty? What was our difficulty we were just on?
The one below it.
And is this the Jeremy Wade?
Now it is.
Perfect. I love it.
Who pissed it off? Who pissed it off?
Piss what off?
There's an alligator.
Yeah. Nobody pissed anything off, Trevor.
I just started hearing it.
Yeah, he's just hanging out right next to you.
How close are we to quota?
Not very.
Did we put all of our fish in already?
Yes.
So far, yes.
Have we caught any more fish since we put fish in?
No.
No.
Why?
Because I was looking for
I told
bait.
you to just leave it.
What was that?
I'm gonna die! Die!
Ah. Dane,
Oh,
I lost all of my bait and everything!
I found Trevor.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Did he get eaten by an alligator?
I'm dead.
No. He got impaled by a very large club.
Yeah, if you walk over there, there's a bunch of fish and stuff on the ground.
Oh, for fuck. Oh.
You guys should go to bed. You guys should go to bed. Last time that happened, Chad died.
Nah, it looks peaceful out there. Oh, Dane's sleeping. Oh, well, just shove that stuff in my inventory, because I don't know if that actually does help protect it.
So I guess fill quota, and then we're gonna try and get ahead of quota to.
What the fuck? Dane?
Yes.
What happened?
What the fuck was that?
What happened?
Land shark.
Oh my god,
What the?
that's a good beer.
I'm gonna go. Excuse me.
Oh, not again! Why me?
I found gambling.
I found fucking flyy dude.
I lost my fishing. Oh, there it is.
It was a bunch.
Is he AFK again? My god!
Alright. Fuck it then. I might be dead. So. I'm gonna go out and see if I can get those boxes.
Try and fish.
Should have taken the lantern. Coming back and I'm grabbing a lantern. Dane?
Yes.
Why do you keep going AFK?
Sorry, I had to help Sam real quick. She hurt her back.
Oh, okay.
Ah.
You like keep going AFK as soon as it gets like night.
I figured. I figured we had quota, so it wasn't that big of a deal.
Well, it is when you fall asleep, when you can't like go to bed.
Yeah, night is still very dangerous. No matter what.
It's only as dangerous as you make it out to be.
Well, I made it out to be. I'm gone. I left.
Oh, you died?
No.
Are you?
What?
I don't know how you guys are
Fishing
struggling
maintain
so
the
much.
broken line.
I'm not even
Are
fishing.
you using anything but worms?
I'm using just worms.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was using
hell?
like a gorilla and stuff earlier. It wasn't working very well.
Also, you guys found the. You said you found the gamble point.
Yeah. We're not going to it right now, though. I'm on my way back.
Yeah, I'm.
Oh, what is that?
That's what killed me last night. Chad, you're gonna.
Uh-oh. Are we in trouble?
Chad is. Stay. Hey, Dane.
Hey,
You need to go to bed.
I'm gonna drop all of these beers. What beer over here? There's still like 7 beers out where I was.
What does drinking them do?
Increases your fish size, I think is what it was. Get bigger fish if you're drunk. At least you think it's bigger.
wait, where's this gamble point at?
What is that noise?
I'm not fishing.
Someone help!
Just
Help!
slice up like this.
Someone help me! What is the noise? There's something behind me!
I don't know where you even are.
What is this? Dane, come over to the dock. Beat him. Oh.
I took your fish.
You didn't feed him?
No, it didn't. He just rolled away. Oh no!
I hope he fucking attacks you. We don't have quota, Chet. We're not even like halfway there, so you should probably be fishing.
No. I'm not worried about it. I don't catch anything anyway. What is happening?
I got a head.
Oh, that makes a lot more sense. He caught a screaming head. Makes sense.
By the way, smoking doesn't do anything for value. Hey, Dan.
Hey, Trev. Oh,
That looks like some good head right there.
I'd say so.
I'm leaving.
What?
Okay, bye.
Yes, I think so.
I think it's time
I'm
to go
going to
sleep.
bed.
Why? There's nothing out here.
You know, Ed, you're like famous last words. You're like king of it.
Yeah? What else am I gonna do? I gotta tempt fate. I mean, I sat on an alligator
Wait,
earlier.
I hear it and it's fucking daylight.
If you enjoyed the video, then like and subscribe. If you want to catch me live, follow me on Twitch. I also have a Discord where you can see when I will go live next and when a new video comes out on YouTube. Links to both are in the description.